Hello friends and family. This is exactly why you take the road less traveled. Here we've got an old 1932 Standard Oil gas station in all its former glory, with a single pump, gravity fed out front. Gotta love it. Route 66 at its best.
Today, if you'd like to purchase a souvenir, you can do so. Simply travel 2 blocks north to Tremont Street and turn left. Follow it to the BP gas station. Souvenirs of the station are available there. The purchase of souvenirs and donations are extremely important to us. Without the generosity of our visitors, we could not continue our restoration work. We would also like you to visit our town. Here you can purchase gas, snacks, groceries, or have a real Route 66 meal in one of our 3 classic restaurants. To do so, travel 2 blocks north to Tremont Street and turn right. Experiencing towns such as Odell is all part of the Route 66 adventure. A list of local businesses that look forward to seeing you are posted on a sign near the 1953 camper. Route 66 in Illinois is a step back in time. A time of Burma Shave slogans, mom and pop businesses, roadside advertising, and eye-catching giant gimmicks. You'll find abandoned sections of road, ghostly sign images, and local residents who always have time for a smile and a wave. So take it slow while you enjoy this slice of real Americana as you cruise on the mother of all roads, historic Route 66. And please, come back to visit us again.
Here's the 1953 camper that they talked about. A little kitchen area, that table turns into a bed, countertop, some shelving. Very nice. It's about the same square footage as the Nautilus. Very nice indeed. Till we meet again, God bless you all.